Hey guys, I'm here at Braid Theory at Alta Sea at the Port of LA. I wanted to show you an awesome shipping container lab. So check it out. Right behind me is this shipping container. It's about 20 feet and let's see it retrofit. All right, let's take a look inside. So in here, we did some work by retrofitting it with electricals so that we can run awesome equipment through here. As you can see, we have a thermocycler, a centrifuge, a little incubator. We have running HPLC, and also we have a fume hood back there for all your fume hoodie needs. Also a Kaya cube, which is pretty awesome. I really wanted to show you a lab in a shipping container because we know how expensive and prohibitive science can be in practice. But it's really feasible within reason of $5,000 or less because you can retrofit a full shipping container and upcycle that to house all of your experiments and to do really good science. You don't need a state-of-the-art laboratory that you need to rent and buy equipment for. It could be done very cheaply and very affordable. Braid Theory and Super Good Labs are a pre-accelerator program that's trying to influence the next wave of awesome technology to come out of blue tech and biotech. So I'm really excited to be working here. But if you can imagine, this entire space will be filled with all of these shipping container labs and amazing technology.